Hi children, glad to meet you. Welcome back to Maths class. Dear students, today let us start exercise 2.1, fifth main. Solve the following problems. First one. A tailor has 18 meters of cloth. He can stitch 9 shirts from this cloth. Find the total length of cloth required to stitch one shirt. What is the problem, dear students? A tailor has a 18 meter of cloth. He can stitch in that 9 shirts. In the 18 meters cloth, he want to stitch 9 shirts from this cloth only. Then you should find out the length of cloth required to stitch one shirt. Okay, this is your problem. Right now, length of the cloth required to stitch 9 shirts. How much length of the cloth is required to stitch 9 shirts? How much is there, you tell me? 18 shirt, 18 meter, 18 meter. We need 18 meter to stitch the 9 shirts. And next sentence you write down, length of the cloth required to stitch one shirt. Then what we will do now? 18 meter divided by 9. Okay, you see here 18 divided by 9 means 9 twos are 18. Okay, means answer is what? How much it is needed? Therefore, the length of cloth required to stitch one shirt is equal to 2 meter. Okay, this is our answer. Second one, a bike can cover 240 kilometer with a 5 liters of petrol. Find how many kilometers does it cover with 1 liter of petrol. Dear children, a bike cover 240 kilometer with a 5 liters of petrol. But in 1 liters of petrol, how much distance it should cover? This is your question. Write down here. Distance covered with the 5 liters of petrol is equal to how much kilometer is there? Tell me. 240 kilometer. Okay. Distance covered with 1 liter. We don't know. This we will find out now. Okay. 240 divided by 5. Okay, then 240 divided by 5 means CL. 5, 5 fours are 20. Okay, 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0, then drag 0. 5 8s are 40. Yes, our answer is how much? 48 kilometer. Therefore, the distance covered with the 1 liter of petrol is equal to how much? 48 kilometer. Next, the third one. Mr. Sridhar purchased 11 toys of same price for 946 from a toy shop. Find the cost of each toy. See children, Mr. Sridhar purchased 11 toys. We don't know the price of each toy. Then we should find out the price of each toy. Okay. Then cost of 11 toys. Write down here the cost of 11 toys. How much is there? Rupees 946. We don't know the each cost price of the toy. Then cost of one toy is equal to, yes, that is 946 rupees. 946 divided by how many toys are there? 11 toys. Okay, here you find out 946 divided by 11. All of you know 11 nines are 99, but this is 94 is there. Then you take 11 eights are 88. Then 4 minus 8. 4 means it will not go. Then it will become how much? 14. Okay, 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. It will become 8. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. Then you take 6. Drag the 6. 11 6 are 66. Yes, the each cost of one toy is equal to how much? Rupees 66. Next one. The annual income of a person is rupees 90,912. Find his monthly income. Means they given the annual income of a person and we should find out the monthly income of that person. Write down here the annual income is equal to rupees 90,912. Then income for a month. For a month means how many how in each year how many months are there? 12 no? Yes. Rupees 90,912 divided by 12. Okay. Yes. Do here 90,912 divided by 12. 12 sevens are how much? Tell me. 12 sevens are 84. 10 minus 4 is 6. It will become 0. 8 minus 8 it will become, this is 10 minus 4 is 6. 8 minus 8 is 0. Yes, you drag now. 9. Then 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are how much? 60. 9 minus 0 is 9. 6 minus 6 is 0. Next drag 1. Then again 12 sevens are 84. 11 minus 1 minus 4 means it will not go. Then it will become what? 11. 11 minus 4 is how much? 7. Then it will become 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Next again you drag 2. It will become 72. 12 6 are how much? 72. 12 6 are 72. Therefore, the monthly income of a person is how much? Rupees 7,576. This is the monthly income of that person. Fifth one. A car manufacturing company manufactures 14,820 cars in a 13 months. Find the number of cars manufactured in 1 month. Dear children, the car company manufactures 14,820 cars in 13 months. Then we should find out that in 1 month how much cars that company is manufacturing the cars. Okay, write down number of cars manufactured in 13th months. Okay, in 13 months how much cars it manufactured? That is 14,820. Okay, then number of cars manufactured in 1 month, we don't know that. 14,820 then divided by how much? Divided by 13. Okay. Yes. Yes, do here 14,820 divided by 13. See here 14 is there. Then you take direct 13 ones are 13. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you drag 8. It will become how much? 18. Then 13 ones are 13. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Okay. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you drag 2. It will become how much? 52. Then 13. How much are 52? Tell me. That 13 4 jar 52. Okay. Then it will become 0. Then you drag 0 means 0. Okay, that is also 0. Then 13 zeros are 0. That is also correct. No need to do next. That is one. What is that answer is 1,140. Therefore, the number of cars manufactured in 1 month is equal to 1,140 cars. Next, exercise 2.2. First one. So, an orange garden has 82 orange plants. A farmer plucks 60 oranges from each plant and plucks 12 oranges in each box. Calculate the number of boxes required to pack all oranges. See children, in the garden, the number of orange plant is how much is that? Tell me. 82. Okay. Then he plucked the oranges from the each plant. Each plant how much it plucked? 60. Then you tell me the total oranges. Tell me the total oranges. 82 into 60. Okay. 0 2s are 0. 0 8s are 0. 6 2s are 12. Carry 1. 6 8s are 48 plus 1. 49. Yes. 0 2 9 4. Yes, our answer is how much? The number of oranges, total oranges is equal to how much? 4,920. Okay, then next one more thing they ask, number of required pack all the oranges, number of boxes they asked. Okay, means calculate the number of boxes required to pack all oranges, they asked, then number of oranges in one box. In each box they given each plant and plus the 12 oranges in each box they given, means the number of oranges in one box is 12. Then number of boxes required, how much it is required? Yes, the number of oranges, total oranges we know, divided by 12. Okay, see here children, 4,920 divided by 12. 12. Okay, in 12 fours are, all of you know, 12 fours are 48. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then you drag 2. 12 ones are 12. Okay. Then 0 is there. 12 zeros are, yes, 0. Then 410 boxes. Yes. Therefore, the number of boxes required to pack all oranges is equal to 410. Okay. Next one. 15 school children hire a cab for a day's excursion at per kilometer rupees 9 per kilometer. If they travel distance of 325 kilometer, find the amount to be shared by each one of them. Dear children, the number of students is how much? 15. Actually, they, for the excursion purpose, they went to outside. Okay, rupees 9 per kilometer, they did the cab. Per kilometer how much they took? 9. Then what we should find out, if they travel, the children are travel 325 kilometer, means we should find out the amount to be shared by each one of them. Okay, first you should find out the cost of traveling, afterwards we'll get the how much they got each one. Okay, rate per kilometer, we know that rate per kilometer is how much? Rupees 9. Then distance how much they traveled? Distance how much they traveled? 325 kilometer. 325 kilometer. Then what we should do? Into 9. Okay, see here, 325 into 9. 9 5 are 45. Carry 4. 9 2 are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 9 3 are 27 plus 2, that is 29. Means 2,925 rupees. Each one get, means total price is how much it is? 2,925 rupees. Then how much each student will get? We will see then. Number of students is how much is there? Right here 15. Yes. Amount to be shared. That amount is how much is there now here? 2,925. You divided by 15 because the number of children is how many? 15 children. Okay. Amount to be shared by each of students is equal to 2,925 divided by 15. Yes, 15 ones are 15. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, it will become 14. Then you drag 2. Yes, now you should say the 15th table and you find out nearest 142 in the 15th table. 15 nines are, okay, 15 nines are is how much? 135. 12 minus 5 is how much? 7. It will become 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then you drag 5. Okay, it will become 75. 15 fives are 75. Yes, children. Yes, that answer is how much? The amount to be shared by each student is how much is there? Rupees 195. Okay. Third one. Anita has a cow which eats 8 liters of milk in a day. The selling price of 1 liter of milk is rupees 80. She wants to divide the amount earned in 1 month, means 1 month means how many days? 30 days. Among her 4 sons. What amount does each one get? Okay, Anita has a cow which eats how many liters per day? 8 liters. But she will per liter how much she will, the selling price of the Milk is how much? 18 rupees. Okay. Now we should find out what we should find out. Amount does each one. It means she want to divide that amount among the 4 sons. First you write down the selling price of 1 liter of milk. How much is there, you tell me? 18 rupees. Okay. The selling price of 1 liter of milk is how much is there? 18 rupees. Then selling price of 8 liters of milk, you should find out first the total amount. 18 rupees into how much liter is there? How much that cow is yielded per day? 8 liters. Then 18 8s are how much? Rupees 144. 18 8s are how much? 144. Then amount earned by Anita in 1 day. In 1 day is how much it is? 144 rupees she will earn in a 1 day. Then amount earned by Anita in a 30 days. 30 days means what we will do? 144 into 30. Okay. Here you calculate 144 into 30. 0 4s are 0, 0, 0. 0 4s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 1s are 0. 3 4s are 12, carry 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. 0, 2, 3, 4. Yes. How much earned she will earn in the in 1 month is how much is there? Rupees 4,320 rupees. Okay. Now she will divided that amount among the 4 sons. Yes. All of you know that number of sons is how much? Yes, she is having 4 sons. Then amount each one gets. Therefore, the amount is how much? 4,320 rupees is there. Number of sons is how much? 4. Okay. Now you do 4,320 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Then you take 3. Yes. See children. Here 3 is there. In the fourth table 3 is there? No. This is less number. Means 4 zeros are 0. Then you take 2 now. Okay. 4 eights are 32. Then you drag 0 means 4 zeros are 0. Yes. How much they will get? Each son how much they will get? 1080 rupees. Okay. 1080 rupees they will get. Dear students, exercise 2.2 is finished and your second unit also finished. And now you sit and complete your fair notes. Thank you.